no. Blink. Tetris. Everyone knows about it, from your nan to little Jimmy across the street. Unsurprisingly, it's sold over 125 million copies worldwide, and it's only recently been beaten by 13-year-old Willis Gibson.
Oh my god!
But it has one fatal flaw. Well, I'm lazy. Well, I don't want to be clicking no buttons. I want the blocks to move with a flick of my wrist, or more specifically, gestures. Is this going to change how we play Tetris forever? Well, probably not. Will it get this video to more than 10 views? I bloody well hope so. I'm basing this on a previous project that I've worked on where I can control the computer's mouse movements with hand gestures. I say I worked on it when in reality I borrowed the code from this nice gentleman, Viral Doshi. Only one slight problem, Viral. The code didn't work. First I had to install an entire new Python distribution called Anaconda, which was a bit tricky with my storage capabilities, and then when I followed the procedure it tried to install an out-of-date mediapipe library, so I had to install a newer version manually, which made me doubt whether the other requirements were actually up to date as well. In addition to this, the code was originally for a voice assistant with the gesture detection as more of a feature, so I had to remove any bits relating to audio recording, text-to-speech and Google Assistant because I hadn't installed any of those libraries. And after all that, I booted it up, relieved that I'd finally made everything work, and then the cursor refused to move. So I just got ChatGPT to code it for me. A little anticlimactic, I know, but there were still problems. I originally tried to get it to fix Viral's script, but that was useless, so I went back to the basics, tracking my index finger. It could handle that, so I also added functionality for clicking when the index and middle finger are recognised together. This is a far cry from the right clicks, scrolling, drag and drop, and both brightness and sound control of the previous project, but I was pretty happy. I then had to flip the movements because when I move my finger, I want the mouse to move with it, not in the opposite direction. This happens because the webcam is like a front-facing camera on a phone and therefore is reversed. If anyone wants similar code, the prompt I used was: to implement this into Tetris, all I've got to do is visit tetris.com and play it on there. And before you see the code in action, if you're enjoying this, consider subscribing, because I'm also making a video where you play Flappy Bird by just blinking. And, you know, why would you want to miss that? So now it's actually time to play it. Thanks for 68 subscribers, by the way. We're getting there. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far. Alright. Got to run it. Hopefully there's no errors. Got the webcam up here. We've got my phone recording me. We're recording the screen. And I've got a mic here just so the audio's alright. Okay. Oh, crap. If I get my finger. Click. Great. It's working already. There we go. So I need my finger all the way back here because of the pixel, thingy. It says click when I put my fingers together. It detects when my eyes are open, etc. So if I just move that manually over here. Alright, Tetris time. It's going to be painfully slow, this video. Here we go. So I blink to rotate it. Why is it not rotating? Fine, we'll just put that one down. Rotate. Yes, there we go. Rotating. Alright. Okay. Down over here. Fuck. Alright. Down. Boom. Down. Boom. Down. No! Down. Fuck! No, don't click, don't, down, okay, blink, okay, down, there, that's a good one, okay, wait a minute, no, over, there, Put it down. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Come on. No, fuck. No. No. Switch. No. Fuck off. No, don't quit. Don't quit. No, fuck. Don't click off the... No. Okay. Cancel. No, please. Cancel. Cancel. There we go. Okay. Resume. No. Cancel. Let's go back a minute. Cancel. No, not how to... Oh, I know how to play Tetris. Okay, I don't need help. Why won't it do the clicking for me? There we go. Resume. No, we need to go back onto the page. Okay. It seems I'm unable to click the taskbar. No, we're here. Okay. Click. Okay. We're back in business, baby. Move back a bit. Okay, here we go. Over. Down. No, line that up. And click. No! Blink. Blink. I said blink. My eyes are too far away. Okay, here we go. Down. Down. There we go. Don't know where to put that one. Go over here, maybe. Yes, okay. Don't know where to put that one. Oh, up. Click. This one can go there. Blink. Blink. No. 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 Stop. Okay. Down. Okay. Blink. There we go. No. Oh, we got a lot. Round 2. Okay, here we go. This one's going to be pro. Get the fingers up. Over. Blink. Blink. Why is it... No, I don't... I'm not clicking. Look at my fingers. They're apart, okay? They're apart. Over a bit. No. Left. No, left. No, dot. Oh my god. No fucking way. No. Okay? Stop. No. Because then you agitate me and then I blink more. And then because I blink more, it twists the shapes. And then because I move my hand, it clicks down. Okay, down. Go fucking down. Please. Please, please. I know, please. Fucking hell. No, I don't want to quit. Oh, fuck. No one knows to play again. I don't want that. I want to go on the... Click the effing button. Okay. Let's calm down. This will take time to breathe. And we click. We click. We resume. Oh, my fingers are starting to ache now. Oh, I'm not even gonna lie. This time it's proper. Alright, this time it's gonna work. So, down. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It was kind of bad. Down. Okay. Blink. 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 Okay. Down. This one we go over to the side. Down. Perfect. This one. Blink. 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 This one won't fit in there, so go over. Down. Okay, that was a little bit of a whoop. No, that was a little bit of a whoopsie on my end, but we're gonna fix it. Okay, down. That one fits perfect there. Perfect. That one can go there. Yeah, sure. Why? No. Okay, that's all right. That is all right, guys. Don't you worry. Now that goes in there perfect. No, don't. Just because I close my fist, because my... don't. Okay. No, where are you going? I don't want to need to know the English football's regulator, what it will do and why it's independent filters, MS... No, what are you over now? No, I don't want... Get off. Get it off. So, thanks for watching.